Good morning. I forgot to say good morning to you when we were at the campsite. We got up super early and had our coffee, had our breakfast, and then started packing up early. So anyway, we are just down the street from the KOA getting some fuel before we head south to Nebraska, a new state for us. We're only going there for a couple of nights, and then we're headed to Kansas. And then that's when we split from Rob and Marylou. They're going to head back to Florida, and we're going to bop around. And then we got to go back to Red Bay for some more work to be done to the rig. So we're going to fuel up here, and we're going to hit the road. So one of the things that stresses me out when we are fueling up is how far Mike has to pull up. If there's two pumps, it's usually not a big deal. When there's only one, we're usually sticking pretty far forward. It's just because our gas tank is all the way at the back. We had not one, but two other campers pull right in front of us, and I'm leaning over the dash like, you better not hit my RV. An inch is a mile. They cleared it no problem, but you can't tell from this perspective how much room they actually have, so it always freaks me out. So that's my perspective. So when a camper comes around, I'm thinking he's going to hit the front of our camper, and thank goodness they did not. All right, come on back. You're doing good. Come on. Come on. You can cut it towards the driver's side a little bit more if you want. Come on back. All right, come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. All right, I want you to stop for a second. I think you're going to want to pull forward and come this way a little bit more. Yeah, let's let them pull in first, and then you can pull forward and then back up. Is that good? Okay. Because where your exhaust is right now, that's lined up with your sewer. All right, come on back straight. Come on back straight. Come on back straight. You're doing good. Come on. Come on back some more. Come on back some more. A little bit more. Okay, you're good. Hey guys, we have made it to Nebraska. We are at Platte River State Park, and we are in the Bison Run, I think, campground. I'll put a link in the description below to let you know how you can book this campground. It's actually a super, super nice campground. We are in Site 36. Rob and Marylou are in Site 37. We only have this stop and one more stop with them. And then we go our separate ways. They're headed back to Florida, and we're going to bounce around before we have to go to Red Bay, and then we're going back to Maryland for the rest of the summer. Anyway, so let me show you guys around our campsite. See, we have plenty of room for the car in front. And look at the site spacing. It's really very nice. Look at all that green grass. Lily's just chilling out underneath Rob and Marylou's camper. And then we have a picnic table. And you guys can see, like, the sites are so long that we're not even... Normally, we would back up to the concrete in the back and hang over the back. We don't even need to do that. It's perfect. Starlink's working great here. It's a very, very nice campsite. And so here is our full setup. Super nice. One thing I will let you know about this campground is that the camping is pretty cheap. I think it was like $35, $38 a night. But it is $14 per drivable to get into the park each day. So it was $28 for the 2 nights for the car, and $28 in addition for the camper. Now, Rob and Marylou, since their camper is a travel trailer, they didn't have to pay that additional $28. So just know that going in. If you're going to spend like a week here, it might be better to see if they have like a park pass. That'll include that entry fee. That's what we did in Texas. So just do a little bit of research. And I think you can also pre-book that online. We weren't 100% sure about their setup, if they had to pay for both of them. Anyway, we just paid when we got here today. We're just going to kind of take it easy for the next day or so. Next couple days. We're here tonight and one more night. And then we're headed off to Kansas. So we'll see what we can. Good morning. We are getting ready to pull out from Platte River State Park here in Nebraska. It was a great, just couple night stay. This is just a quick stopover. Very uneventful stay. Got caught up on a little bit of work. Got to do a little bit of relaxing. Anyway, today we head to Kansas. This is our last travel day with our friends. Next Sunday we split ways. They head back to Florida and we have some more traveling to do. Anyway, so we are packed up and let's hit the road.
We are rolling out of Platte River State Park in Nebraska, and I tell you what, I got to give it 2 thumbs up. That was one sweet park for a state park. It is very well maintained. Concrete sites that were really level. I mean, we had probably one of the quickest and easiest hookups that we've done in a long time. So, Nebraska, you're aces as far as I'm concerned when it comes to state park.
And I didn't get any video, but they have like a splash park, like a little water park for kids. This is some of the coolest playgrounds I've ever seen for kids. If I was a kid, maybe even if I'm not a kid, I would go play on them. Super cool. Really nice cabins. I will put a link in the description below so you can go check it out. But yeah, I'm with Mike. 2 thumbs up on that state park. Hey guys, we made it here to Kansas. We are at Hillsdale State Park. There's Mike. I'm over there, or Lily's over there. We're gonna get backed into this gorgeous site that we have. We are in site 115. We did a lot of research, and man, am I glad that we picked this spot. It's gonna have so much grass for Lily. She's gonna be super happy. Anyway, let's get this rig parked. Doing good. Come on back. Come on back. All right, come on back. Woo. All right, watch that last hump, and then, yep, you're doing great. Come on back. You're tracking perfectly. Come on back. Come on back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow, slow, slow. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. All right, you're good. Straighten out a little bit. All right, come on back. And stop.
I can't resist good barbecue. We're in Kansas City, and this is Joe's back here behind us. It's actually an old service station, and it looks like it's still set up as a gas station, so we're going to run in there and get us some Kansas City barbecue. How are you doing today?
How are you?
Good. All right, now I got 2 places that I would come back to the state just to eat. Joe's Kansas City BBQ, and there is a dumpling place in Washington State that we love to go to. So now I've got 2 places, and I had to get myself to hook up on some barbecue sauce, some of the best barbecue I've had.
So I got the Mumbo Jumbo. It was a sandwich with pulled pork and beef. It was their special. It was so big I couldn't finish it. He had to finish it for me. And you had a platter.
So it was sausage.
Oh, it was called the Hogamania. You had sausage and ribs.
And pulled pork.
And pulled pork. And Texas toast on the side. And okay, now
and dirty rice.
And I'm stuffed. So we're going to go do some exploring.
Morning has broken. My windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my
We're in Kansas. We had to stop by KU. This is from our buddy Sam. Rock Chalk! Our buddy Sam actually graduated from KU, so we knew we were going to be close by, and we promised him we would stop by and grab a picture. So here we are, Sam. We're trying another barbecue place that came recommended to us by friends. We are at Jack Stack BBQ. Let's go check it out.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow.
All right, what'd you think?
So we've been to 2 barbecue shacks at KC. I don't want a shack. This is a really nice restaurant. The other one was a gas station. Both equally as good. I had smoked chicken today, and it had a chipotle honey barbecue sauce on it. Man, it was right on point. And I tell you what, you can't beat their baked beans. They have, I think, brisket burnt ends in them. KC didn't disappoint with the barbecue.
I got a stuffed baked potato. It's one of my favorite things to get, and it had burn ends. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even finish it. I gave him the rest of my burn ends I couldn't eat. I got the barbecue baked beans too. Man, they were delicious. This restaurant came highly recommended by our friend Sam, who went to school here. So if y'all are ever in Kansas City, you got to come check out Jack Stack BBQ.
So after 12 weeks on the road, we bid farewell to our friends. We're all alone.
We're so sad. Well, we're sad because our friends left. And so what do?
We're gonna go drown our sorrows in some apple cider doughnuts.
One of the things that we like to do when we're in a new town is find a farmer's market or a country store. And we are getting ready to go to Louisburg Cider Mill. So let's go check it out.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't.
I'm a big fan of root beer, and I like the off-brand root beer. So every chance I get, I like to buy root beer wherever we're at. And this is Lost Trails root beer. Also, I like cream soda, and I threw that in the back for later. So I'm gonna have myself a little sip of root beer here. This is an old school bottle. That's why I carry a bottle opener with me, because you never know when it's gonna come in handy. Cheers. That's really good root beer. Creamy, it's smooth and cold, which makes it even better on a 86-degree day. Very good root beer. Didn't disappoint for sure.
So they're also known for their apple cider donuts here. So you know we had to try them. Plus we're drowning our sorrows. All right, so look at this, you guys. Oh my God. Try not to get sugar all over me. Nice powdering of sugar on the outside. It's crispy on the outside and very soft and fluffy on the inside. Oh my goodness. I love apple cider donuts.
Would you say it's pillowy?
It's pillowy.
Thank you.